Is there any toilet here?
It's nice and a short put they do for you.
Wait in the short put.
You can shoot for waterproof to run inside bush. Are you okay, sir?
God have plenty of
It's my guy. My manest man is one of the reasons why these things are set. Okay? So what I'm saying is that I promise you shit, man.
You promise I
No problem.
What's up, my people? On a day, it's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So guys, thanks for always watching my videos. I really appreciate. And now I've got you guys another fantastic, fantabulous video that you are yet to see. So make sure to watch it to the very end, because trust me, you go really enjoy it. You understand? So I don't want to say much, so don't play. Let's go have some fun.
After spending 2 years looking for a job with my school certificate, I decided to give up and apply to be a politician's bodyguard. You see, I did a lot of planning before getting this job. Before becoming a bodyguard, I stumbled on Chief Olajide Ikuku on internet.
I, Chief Ikuku, needs a bodyguard. Someone who is reliable, defensive, someone who is trained to act without hesitation. I will pay any amount, as long as you can handle threats.
Immediately I heard that, I get into training. It took me 2 weeks and few days to learn how to fight. I started going to the gym every day and night.
Bro, gym don't close.
I trained to be unstoppable, smarter, and faster. I know Chief Ikoko's life depends on my protections, so I started learning how to dodge and catch bullets with my bare hands. I spent my life savings to buy a suit to look good for Chief Ikoko. I applied for the job and I was called for an interview. Immediately I met with Chief Ikoko. I showed him how unstoppable I am.
What's going on here?
Chief Ikoko was impressed by my skills and he hired me. And 2 days after I got hired, somebody tried to assassinate Chief Ikoko. As a very smart bodyguard, I knew what was going to happen. Then, I remember I can catch a bullet with my bare hand. Then this happened.
When I don't die, I don't die.
You are crazy. I give you right for me.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my brother. So sorry about your mommy.
Oh, no, not at all, sir. We are celebrating my mother's birthday.
You don't mean it?
Oh, yes, sir.
Chineke me. I don't already they go think another thing. Okay, it is written there, celebration of life. Oh, we thank God. We thank God.
Why not come in? Let us give you food, sir.
Food. Make it not be like saying our food make me come this side.
Ghana food.
And then I bring rice for him.
Okay.
Ghana food.
My brother.
No, they lie.
Let me quickly pray for you. In Jesus' name. You see this ground?
Yes.
May it never see any of your family member to swallow.
Amen.
My brother, instead of rice, make una give me swallow.
Ladies and gentlemen,
I don't know what
this
to
is
say,
Sweet
man.
Miss With You Pacho.
My brother,
Yes.
excuse me. Can I have something like a liquid?
Oh, okay. Let me get you water.
Who they use water, they do celebration.
I give a beer.
You don't get liquid, we're black. Cook.
Okay.
Okay. Come. How old is mommy today?
She's 60.
60. My brother, 60 cl.
My brother, 60 here. Let's go.
No be say I greedy now. Coca-Cola don't add 20% extra Coke to this one. And at the same price.
Don't take time, you add that. I see you.
Thank you.
Don't take time, you add that. Just like that, and they don't pay out. They pay out.
I forget saying a celebration of life.
Mumu guy, 20% extra. Governor Amuneke.
Governor, my governor.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Governor, you came on time. You're about to share the food your government provided for us.
I came to make sure that the delegate I sent to get you food, water, and all the basic needs, we are met. Your governor is here to eat the same food in the same plate from the same pot with you. find me my food though.
But yeah, but yeah, say go chop am. I only go chop.
It is smoky.
Oh, how do you share it?
We are all families. We eat together. Anybody can pick.
God, I don't know how you do it,
Good plate.
Okay. So let's eat then. Let everybody take your food. Everybody
don't change that.
take your food. Let it be known I'm a governor that go to the grassroots and meet with my people.
Oh man.
My governor.
70 years old man.
Yeah. Nice one. They say we don't have our people in our heart. But what happened here? I ate the same food that you ate. You don't know. On that note, before I leave, I want to promise you.
Wait a minute.
Food I chop.
You want to do that? Governor, I mess up. You chop the wrong food.
So, I chop waiting and they give them.
Alright, so let me wrap it up because yes, time is not on my side. I have other places to go. So I said I promise, to give.
Promise us what?
Shit down there, oh my God.
Yeah, is there any toilet here? It's nice and I shot put they do for you. What in the shot put? You can shoot for waterproof to run inside bush. Are you okay, sir?
God have plenty of It's my guy. My managed man is one of the reasons why these things are said.
You don't talk funny, bro.
What I'm saying is that I promise you, man.
No public toilet. Why now? This government no they try you.
Yeah, the government.
Oh, I forget. I see the edit.
Amuneke visited an IDF camp where he met the people of Katafa today. He did not just send delegates, he sat, ate, and dined with them from the same pot and spoon. Wait, is that the governor running? Yes, that because he spent more time than required, and he remembered he had other places to go, so he had to run. Humility is his other name. Vote Governor Amuneke for a second term.
Lord of God. Hey, Amuneke.
Hello, babe.
Hello, babe.
Yeah, I'm here.
You are here, okay? Okay. I'm coming.
You are here, okay?
Baba, hide, I beg. She see? Hide.
Window where she go pass. Window where she go pass, enter. Now you go.
Hi, babe. Wow, is everything ready?
Yeah, sure.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Let me put your bag.
Oh, thank you so much, babe. Hi, guys. Welcome to Dream Villa Apartments. This is our 5-bedroom, fully detached apartment ready for your shortlet. As you can see, luxurious and spacious. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. This is our smart TV, available PS5. We have 247 security. We have 247 electricity, and we have free Wi-Fi. In fact, we have a housekeeper available for you. So, guys, let me take you guys to the bedroom.
We have a housekeeper.
Are you okay?
Oh, okay.
Oh, so you see, now my guy is.
And it also has an in-view speaker. Yes. Okay. So this is one of the rooms. So beautiful.
Yes.
So let me take you guys to the master bedroom.
Master bedroom.
Yes.
Okay.
Are you fine?
I'm fine.
That's the best.
My guy keep playing for master bedroom.
Oh, come here. This interior is out of the world. It's so beautiful. We have the smart TV. Oh my God, look at the framing. So beautiful. And we have the bed, so comfy. You need to book this apartment. You need to book the apartment. And again, one more thing, guys. You see this curtain? It's a good quality. Very, very good quality, guys. So beautiful. Wow. It was a bedroom without a balcony. Come, let me show you. Oh my God.
How this babe float on this here? Let's wait to the camera, you let's listen to this. Hold up for this.
Guys, let me take you guys to the kitchen. Well equipped. Thank you, babe. Let's get started. Wow. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. So everything is ready for you. We have the oven, the microwave, we have the kitchen stove. And guess what, guys? We have our golden egg.
Go to the
So beautiful. Wow. I think we should select. Thank you. Yes.
This year, man.
Fridge working perfectly. Everything is perfect in this apartment. Okay, we need to go for a
This year,
wow. Oh my God, this is so nice. I find me collect a selfie for her hand.
She see now, she know.
Mother, you don't say this pack don't expire? Okay, no, they sell expired products for you. Bring them here and see a pig.
Oh, so you want me to say government they lie, Abi? Government they lie. No, when I go come on, God, they better come check this goose. They go arrest you for this place. Nah. I'm taking it easy with you.
I never reach like that, nah, pig.
I don't join all those Indomie with that side. Madam, you know, she said this milk don't expire too. But this milk don't expire now. This is expired pig milk. Madam, take this please. I don't want this. I don't join all those things.
Oh God, this thing what they do, you know good though. You know good though.
Don't go show me where you cook and hold today, Jerry.
We don't get.
Out of your bag of rice, come show me.
Oh Jesus.
Okay. All these things don't expire, but they say expired products. We like to clean all these things from your shop.
Oh, they struggle. They suffer here.
Does it mean that the woman is actually selling expired products? But this woman to carry all these things.
Wait a
Market.
Why you see food stuff?
No, my new job now give me the food stuff for.
Who employ you? Carry all this food stuff, give you on the first day.
I be environmental officer now. Now they go to check people goods for their shop, the expiring dates. If we check and see they don't expire, go carry the go house. If they say they no give us, go ginger they go shock. Then I see government they go arrest them, they go give us the thing, we carry run.
So government don't employ you like this.
You employ me, can I employ myself?
And you employ yourself?
Yes.
Now there you carry picnic. Indomie.
Yes.
Even yam.
Mama, you know say this yam don't expire.
Yam dey expire.
Yes, now you know say yam don't expire. If they chop this thing, now it go grow for their belly, and this is not good for human health.
Eh.
You need to remove this from your shop.
I don't know.
Take this and get all those things waiting for sack bag for outside. I can go check your bottle water and the other things. You get golden more.
So like this, we don't go hungry again.
Hey. That one, if you go carry your own, not be someone go carry console with me and you want chop. Now you know you talk about these things.
What do you got me by that one?
But if you not work, you not go chop. Now they tell you so.
So if I don't follow you, go carry something, I don't go chop.
And they tell you when you the year now.
One man begin.
Hey. Go find out your white shirt come. No go do the job tomorrow. I get two shop with the episode, so go mount.
The star shop so. So you go the first one and I go the second one. Okay. You remember the format now?
Of course, yes now. Do the arm officer.
Not be me you want 10 and then you want 10. Okay, then go meet me for that junction. If you don't do finish, okay, move the go.
Oh, they struggle.
Good afternoon. My name is Officer John
from Environmental Health Office.
Okay. And I'm here to check your goose.
The expired ones. You can come inside. Where are golden ones? All these gonna be Titus. This thing don't expire now, madam. Move this thing from this shop.
Why you they keep your matter? All those NSC.
Remove all these golden ones, yeah.
You need to
remove all this. All this is not good. They are not good for the health. Remove all these things, madam.
This thing no good. Now why you go to put bread where don't expire for market? It don't make sense. Give me some.
You see, this one is expired too. Why are you doing this, young lady? I will get you arrested.
Sir, please.
How am I even sure those old one and okra are not expired?
God have mercy.
I will check the old one or okra expiring dates. So man, I don't want to see any expired for your shop again next time if I come here.
Oh Jesus.
All this is why they carry and I know the officer won't go give government. Alright, so next time.
Jesus.
So you guys have been the one impersonating environmental health officer, Tabi? Collecting this from people. No, they are mongo.
This chivita where you carry just now. The last one be the same and I never expire. Look at now.
You want to deny Abi? Officer, arrest him.
Then I don't die.
Una say whether they check una goods. I don't know say the stuff.
One five, Abi. 3-5. No shock, Ian. The Lord is wonderful. I thought they say we stop using this styrofoam again. They have banned it now. And you know it's not good for our heads. No, but you don't kill, you have not killed anyone. We should wait until we die. Take our drug before we die. All the kidney problem that is moving around now, this is one of the causes. And you will block drainages like this. Before you know, flood will be everywhere. Oh, Nduka. They say we should stop using it. What am I going to use? I don't have any other. You will use all those recyclable and reusable parts. Even the carton parts is usable. Okay. You don't want. A lot I want you 7,000. The old tuba, yes. But tuba kilo shele. But 700. I'm buying with 700. Yeah, silver. Only 700. Clear the work. Kilo 5. What's this sort?
Can I know my offense? Can I know my offense?
Sorry, mommy, don't worry. She'll be 7K. I'll pay. What's your mother? Are you? Obio. You fool.
Hey, this lab enter. You won't pay for your mom's 7K. You the price and
see these boys. If they smoke, it go for you. You not get head? Jesus. You not check time? Everybody don't know now. Fuck!
They don't know say don't love.
Lie down for them. Where the money are the goat for this house?
And food.
That's all.
You don't know this.
I mean, I thought you did crazy, so could they kill you?
So as I do like this now, I resemble ghost.
You the place? You know the fiam robber? I'm going to say that your family member dey here.
After more blow this guy more the move.
Hey! Where you dey go?
One guy they catch you yourself.
What's going on? I was hearing noise.
I heard the man they give.
Idiot.
A devil now you be.
Noise. Hear me quiet. Please. Where are you from?
My mom is from Agkaay, and my dad from Calabar.
I'm in love.
I don't want it.
I beg. Family agent. I want rentals there.
Honestly, they give me whatever I get about. I go drink them.
Because they give my head. You never remember seeing people come in house. You know. When I want to see you now,
Hey, lemon parangui.
You see, you like my house, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you guys a couple?
Of course.
There's a problem there.
Okay.
And the issue right now is that when you guys start having kids, I don't want a situation kids will start messing my house, destroying my paints. But there's one condition. I like giving sexy, good-looking, charming men like you in my house.
I appreciate the fact that you said I'm cute. I really appreciate it. But there's no way I'm going to leave my beautiful wife, stay in your house. No, that is not possible.
Are you sure?
What's going on here?
With all due respect, if I'm to be your son, will you advise me to leave my wife elsewhere so that I can stay in your house?
There's nothing there.
You? I can't really do that. I think we should go.
At least let me have your number.
Jesus! This guy insults. You didn't wife
This guy don't break my head.
They insult her. See?
Mother, I don't think we not feel calm. Fuel not there, I'm not to pursue thief. Leave me, Jare. Alpha, you don't play a statement. Yes, sir. You there right now?
No, sir, this thing you are doing is not good now.
Why is not good? Mother, if you don't get bribe to give me, you're lucky for sale. Or you call your lawyer.
But I've already called my lawyer now. What else do you people want again,
Agree to bro.
This one are your lawyer. Your boyfriend are your lawyer. Okay? I just want to be professional lawyer.
Okay, that's what you talk. Repeat them again.
This liar. Oh, so you think I will not find out? Now you think I will not find out? Who was this pants? Because obviously this is not mine. Who was it?
Babe, you calm down now. I know this I just reached out for WWE last week, and this is my costume.
Is that it?
don't understand.
Babe, have you forgotten that my role model is Batista? Hey! See, here are the documents I signed. Babe, see now. See, read. See, 5 years contract. See, I have a match with Undertaker next week.
Jesus.
Hey! I need to overtake all this. Give me my costume.
Oh, so you think I will not catch you, Abby? No, you think I will not catch you? A friend of mine sent me this picture. Who is she?
Babe. Now my guy Razikado be this now. Now my guy be this. Look the picture where now. Now my guy be this.
Is that you?
Babe, I think you're not having eye issues. I think we need to see the eye doctor. You don't see very well clear, okay? Don't worry, I'll book her.
But this is no smart. That's the first thing they catch you. They just catch you all the time.
Oh shit, here we go again.
What did they look up now?
Come over there.
Idiot.
Nice to meet you, barrister.
Nice to meet you.
You're called DPO.
Make we send us civilian to civilian.
But why, sir? I think I found the perfect lawyer that will help us win the case against VDM.
Alright, so I see a lot of posts of different people laughing at me.
Men will watch you suffer and still want to
girls. Wait. Why are you looking so stranded? What's the problem?
I came to see my auntie and I'm trying to get home. I can't find a cab or even bike.
Child, your auntie don't have a car? This place is very lonely and you can't get back except your auntie has a bike man. But see, once you get to that junction, you see a bike man, I promise you that, but I'll join you this journey. Let's go. Easy, don't stress yourself.
Hey! This thing touch me.
Carry.
This thing really pay me.
You need my help? No, you can do it. Easy. Don't stress yourself.
Very wicked man. I feel black. Wicked.
Follow you standing steady tired.
Easy.
Still they follow up for back. Wait for your scanner for inside.
You want God to punish.
Don't rush. Don't rush. Bye. Hello. Fine girl. Fine girl. Don't do like this now. I'm your destiny helper. I helped you. Your number at least. Don't be ungrateful.
Enter the bike. Where?
Very wicked man. I feel black. Wicked. Belle black.
Can you imagine? Una tutu say no even get sense. Una tutu no get sense. But why you go throw away the guy's phone? You don't have any right to throw his phone away. Because as you throw your phone away, now while you put yourself into, you're angry, yes, but just ignore him and go now. Of course, you already know, say, you just want to make mockery of you. You understand? You see girl we carry bag. Why not just help her? Take her to the junction. If you don't want to help her to the junction, you leave and they go now, make she find her way. You understand? This one I just I just do for you. But anyways, it's all good. It's comedy and we're meant to laugh. So my people, thanks for watching and I really appreciate it. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video and you're yet to subscribe, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please subscribe. Turn on the bell notification to get notified anytime I drop this amazing videos. You guys check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out. Trust me, you're gonna love them. You understand? So see you in the next one, my people. Peace and love.